Keisha. Welcome back to my group, my channel. You guys, today we're talking about tips, giving you tips to help you work from home, get set up for your work from home situation, set up your office, be more in line in what you need to do to be prepared and be successful and excel with your work from home opportunity. Whether that's a work from home opportunity or you have a home business, these tips are going to help you and take you to the next level. So if you're watching me on YouTube and that's Side Hustle Keisha, please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button. Every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. If you are watching on Facebook, make sure you like the page, give me a thumbs up, drop your comments below. Also, if you are not in my Side Hustle Keisha group, please get into it. I also launched a new group where side hustles and entrepreneurs collide. You guys have to get in this group because if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we'll be meeting once a quarter starting in the new year. We'll be meeting once a quarter. Everything about this group is to help you grow, inspire you, motivate you, give you the blueprint to a successful entrepreneur or a successful work from home mom or a side hustle beast. Whatever you're choosing to do, we want to give you tips, motivate you, inspire you, tell you don't give up, keep going. So that's what this page and this channel is all about. So make sure you stay connected. If you're looking for ways to make passive income, my links below will always take you to opportunities. Let me know what you think. Click on the link, follow directions, and tell me what you think. Now, today is tip number 8. Tip number 8 is all about getting a day timer. Getting a day timer, getting a calendar, making sure that you are monitoring your daily routine. You can look a month, 2-3 months out. A lot of times when you're an entrepreneur, there'll be conferences, there'll be trainings, and you need to schedule these things out so you can schedule your life around it. So today's tip is all about getting a day timer, getting a schedule. Whether you like the weekly, daily, monthly calendar, you need a calendar. And if you're an entrepreneur, you're gonna need a lot of space. So what I do is I have the daily day timer. I have a day timer that goes over from 8 a.m. even I think it goes up to 6 a.m. to the next end of the day. So I want to be able to schedule my entire time. I even schedule my sleep time. Listen, I probably should schedule more, but hey, we're not gonna go there, right? So what you wanna do is make sure that you have a day timer. You're looking at your schedule 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, a year out, because there's conferences coming, things you want to do, vacations you want to take. You may want to vacation with some of your entrepreneur friends, but day to day, you need a day timer. You need a calendar. That's how you're going to grow. That's how you're going to be successful throughout the day. And then you'll be able to mark off some things on your to-do list. If you have to carry some things over, then you can go from there. So you guys gotta get a day timer. That's tip number 8. My name is Keisha, Side Hustle Keisha. Make sure you drop a comment below. Make sure you like, share, and make sure you subscribe to this channel or you like this page and you're following me, because everything that I'm going to tell you about is opportunities for you to create a side hustle, or you can create or if you're looking for, some people are looking to work from home. They're tired of commuting. I'm going to share with you opportunities. I'm going to find you some side hustles that keep you in the house, get you out of the house. I'm going to find you, I'm going to share with you information on opportunities that are out here in the marketplace that you can work from home, and they're great opportunities. There are opportunities where you can make $15 to $30 an hour. There's opportunities where you can make $50,000 to $150,000 a year. People need to just look for these opportunities. They're out there for you, and I'm going to find them and I'm going to bring them to you. But also, I'm going to also keep you in the loop of little side hustles. If you're looking for just some fun money, some play money, I'm going to share opportunities like that as well. So you guys, make sure you stay connected. Make sure you like, share, comment. If you've tried one of the side hustles or job opportunities, applied or got a job, make sure you guys come back and let us know. But this is tip number 8. Get a day timer. I want you to get a day timer today. Stop, go to Staples, go somewhere, go to Office Depot, go to Kinko's. You need a day timer. You need to see your future, okay? Someone told me the other day that they plan their next 10 years. Now, I'm not that far ahead. I have some goals, 5, 10, 15 years. But hey, get a day timer. Start somewhere. Start today. Look at next week. Plan next week so you can be successful. If you're a work-at-home mommy and you're working, you probably, like myself, already have a schedule down. You have a time from the time you walk in the house, from picking up your kids from school, you got dinner, you got bath time, you got time to go to bed, and then you got mommy time. or you got mommy and daddy time, whatever it is, make sure that you're scheduling so you can be more effective and you can see more success in your work from home business, work from home job, work from home side hustle. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.